Guys, we have made it to the Chiang Mai Grand Canyon today, which is Chiang Mai's answer to not having a beach. So it's gonna be really, really cool. There's tons of cliff jumping to do. There's a cafe, a zip line, and a water park. So I'm about to cut some rug, y'all.
Sadly, while we were driving over here, it kind of went a little overcast, but it's Thailand weather. It hopefully will be blue skies and sunshine very soon.
Guys, I have to tell you, you have to be careful. There's two. There's a Grand Canyon Kabadabadaba, and it's literally right next to the Grand Canyon Chiang Mai, except that one's more expensive and offers less. Literally, it's like 15 steps next door to the real Grand Canyon. So we're gonna go do that now. They have a free shuttle from the parking lot into the actual park.
Yeah, not quite sure how far we had. Oh, not far
Not far at all.
We wouldn't have had to walk far. But it was nice that they do this.
I'm so excited.
There we go.
Kapung Kap. And it needs your signature.
Mine?
Yep.
This one for ZIPLINE.
For ZIPLINE. Okay. Kapung Kap. Are you a little excited, Annette?
I could vomit right now, y'all. I haven't done anything like fun in a really long time. Not fun, but like water park, you know, or like adventure park. There's like these big old slides. I'm so pumped. So they have a whole locker of tourist lost items. Let me count how many GoPros there are in here. 19 GoPros.
All right, time to say bye to Instagram, because if you guys follow our Instagram, Chase for Adventure, you don't get all the content you get on YouTube. YouTube fam, we love you. But also, Instagram fam, we love you too, because YouTube, you don't get the same stuff that Instagram gets. You just have to follow us on every channel, on every platform. Come on, what are you waiting for?
This is much harder than it looks. You jerk! They just moving it! What a butt. How's it going, Daniel?
It's going great.
Struggling a little bit. I actually don't think it's possible to make it through this.
5 hours later.
Wow, I'm exhausted after that.
All right, let's see what happens.
This water park is so much fun. It is so much harder than I thought because you're on like these like floating platforms. I don't know if you can see mine, but you just kind of fall.
I can do it. I can do it.
Woohoo!
Watch the last step. I definitely almost went back down.
So one of the things they have here is like one of those big balloons in the water where one person sits on one end, we stay up really high, then we jump off, and then the other person goes in the air. I'm about to send this boy in the air.
You ready, Danye? All right, first. Did he fall on it? Oh no, oh no, oh no!
3, 2, 1.
No! That didn't pan out how he wanted it to, I don't think. I'm gonna let it fly. I think I'm stuck. Stresses me out a little bit. That was so good.
Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. What? Okay, so this doesn't quite work.
I believe in you.
How do you get up?
Miracles. Maybe if you helped me hold it down. I love that the people here are really intent on making sure that you have fun and like you do these things right so that you can have fun. This guy's been hooking it up. Ow!
Yeah.
Good job! Oh! That was great!
Alrighty, I'll dump it down for you.
I've already done it.
Oh.
Oh, my bad.
Alrighty guys, we've been here for what feels like 6 hours. My body is so tired. I wanted to give you guys some information about going in. It's 550 baht, which is like $16.50 US cents. And it includes a zip line. You can pay 50 baht for a locker, and then obviously the whole obstacle course, some slides. It's really, really fun. Be aware that it really is at your own risk for a lot of this, so just be careful. If you have any injuries, just keep that in mind.
So we finally got our food. I ended up getting a Thai omelet, which is literally just like a fried egg, and it's over rice, which is delicious. You drench it in some sambal sauce, which is this lovely goodness right here. And then, so I don't know if you guys remember, if you watched our Q&A video back when we were in Bali, Indonesia, got in a scooter accident, messed on my shoulder. If you guys are coming to the Grand Canyon, this is not the place to come with injuries. My shoulder has been spasming so bad as soon as we got out of the water. I'm like chugging coconut water, chugging like regular water, and it's like, can't move. But we're gonna power through.
I am not being healthy today. I got fried chicken, comes with sweet Thai chili sauce, tastes like love, rice, solid fries. Oh my god! Holy cow!
Kapung kap. What did we just order? This thing is huge. No, grab it by the handle. Don't spill that.
Don't spill that.
It's legitimately heavy.
It is bigger than my head.
How was it?
Great.
All right, so after lunch, we went and got our tickets back from the locker so that way we can go ziplining, because we want to do that when we're dry. A lot of people were doing it in like swimsuits. Obviously, we're all in swimsuits actually. But a lot of people were doing it like straight out of the water, but we had a nice little time to eat, a nice little time to sit down, relax, drink some coconut water, drink some real water. Now it's time to zipline. Because after that, this beautiful lady over here gets to go on the, what was that again?
The 30-foot cliff jump.
Oh, that's right.
Do I look fabulous with my little booties? I may just take these home with me. The zipline station, they take you in like this little golf cart that's included, which is great. And they'll suit you up, and they're so polite. They're like, oh my god, I'm so sorry, like for like not even touching you, like for touching the zipline cord. But it has like this little thing that is like a screw-on clasp that I'm not gonna touch so that I don't break it. And then you get to launch like across the park. This is so worth the 15 bucks. The last time that I went ziplining was in Costa Rica, and it was like $30 per person. Just for the zip line. And here you get like a water park, cliff jumping. This is like an adventure day for sure. All that and then like 40. I won't be able to hold on. Waking up tomorrow.
Okay, you hold this.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, put your leg up.
That was awesome. I think I'm a little heavy for these things. I come in at like 95 kilos, which is 200 pounds. And they definitely had to like grab me at the last minute to pull me in.
Okay.
That was awesome. You need to do this.
That was awesome.
Damn.
Oh.
They're so sweet and like bounce you on the way on the second one.
Yeah.
And you're like, oh my god, this is like a roller coaster.
100%.
Guys, I don't like heights. I don't know if I can do that.
Something that's pretty cool about this place is that it literally just started pouring. As long as there's no thunder or lightning, they literally just let you keep playing. Kind of makes it more challenging too. Everything's really slippery. And we're trying to convince Annette to go up on that tall jump. You can do it.
Light, there you go! So if you guys came to cliff jump at the Chiang Mai Grand Canyon, this is the tallest one in the entire park. 9 meters tall, 27 feet. Do you dare to jump?
When you're in the middle of it, like that feeling of falling, you have to like not panic. Yeah, 100%. And then after, it kind of takes you longer than you think it would to get out of the water.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm literally shaking.
Hold on.
Literally shaking. About to do.
Don't talk to me yet.
I just asked her what we're about to do and she was like, nah, don't talk to me yet. Sorry, this thing's like buckled to my life vest.
Y'all, I'm the person who cries. Like, you know those drop rides at the fair and stuff? I'm the one who's like sobbing and like praying to all the gods, not just one of them, all of them, for me to be safe. So here's to hoping that the monk blessing from yesterday is like effective. I'm so scared. My heart's beating out of my chest.
No. Going on the slide instead.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna do it. Do it. Do one of them things. Okay.
Let it fly. That was a lot of fun, but man, should I have kept my legs closed.
And I should have kept my nose closed because, man, that was a sinus rinse. I think it washed my brain. This is a mission. Mission impossible!
Whoop! Oh.
Hi, gentlemen. Doing well.
Still alive. Still breathing. Just about. Check.